You're not lazy, you're not unserious, you're just stuck in a system that stopped working a long time ago. And I'm not here to tell you to hustle harder, I'm here to show you proof. It is 2025, and I personally know Nigerians with no degree, no connection, and no special talent making legit money from their phones. No noise, no drama, just smart, quiet income. If you stay with me till the end of this video, I will share 5 of the most realistic, relatable, and beginner-friendly remote jobs anyone can do, starting right now. Don't worry, this is no tech bro talk or bring two people scams. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Okuri Janet Nana, and on this channel we talk about real money moves, online and offline, especially for Nigerians who are tired of hypes without result. If you've ever felt stuck, broke, or confused about where to even start, this channel is for you. Hit the like button and subscribe because every week I bring you no fluff, honest content that actually works for real people in Nigeria. Now let's break down 5 remote jobs that Nigerians are doing. Forget everything you thought writing was. You don't have to be Shakespeare for you to be able to write and make money from writing. And this is not about writing novels or news articles. People are getting paid to write blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, simple email newsletters. And you don't need a degree for this, so no big English needed. In fact, someone I know earns 300,000 a month writing just short, friendly emails for a skincare brand in Canada. Now, here are sites you might want to check out. Number 1 is Contentfly, People Per Hour, Fiverr, Upwork, even on social media. Now, but you'll be needing tools like Grammarly, first of all, to fix your grammar, and ChatGPT to generate structure or improve your tone. Here's my free tip for you. Start with what you know. If you know a lot about beauty tips, skincare, relationship, football, anything you can explain and get paid for. Virtual assistant is one of the most underrated jobs that Nigerians are quietly cashing out from. Being a VA simply means helping someone else organize their life or business, and the tasks include replying emails, booking appointments, social media scheduling, managing a small business's DMs. And guess what? You can do most of this from your smartphone. The pay ranges from $200 to $800 per month, and just for 2 to 3 hours of daily work. You can find jobs on onlinejobs.ph, remote.co, even on LinkedIn. Search for remote virtual assistant. If you can use WhatsApp, Google Docs, and type clear images, you're already qualified. So have you ever called a help center and heard a Nigerian voice? Well, that is because foreign companies are now outsourcing customer service to us. Why? Because we speak English, we are polite, and we are patient. As a customer support agent, you just follow a script, respond to customers' questions, and keep things calm. Some roles even allow night shifts, so you can do this as a side hustle. The pay ranges from 100,000 to 400k per month, depending on hours and company. You can apply on Jobberman, Indeed, Facebook groups like Remote Jobs for Nigerian, or Online Hustle Nigeria. You're already on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook all day. But are you getting paid for it? Now, local and international businesses need people to post content, reply to DMs, schedule posts, run small ads. Now, I always emphasize on starting small. You can start small. You can help your cousin who sells Ankara, manage your church's page, handle your friend's fashion brand. You can charge 20k to 50k per month for a start. Then level up with Canva for design, Meta Business Suites for scheduling, ChatGPT for captions. When you get results, when you have enough results, you then create a portfolio. Portfolio contains everything, some of the works, your important works, of course, and then you pitch it to international clients on Fiverr or Upwork. They pay higher. This is where people are printing money in 2025, selling digital product. Now think about it. Imagine this. You teach somebody how to bake bread, how to do makeup, how to edit videos, how to write CVs, how to start a YouTube channel, whatever it is, and then they pay for it. That is digital product. Now it could be a mini video course, a well-designed PDF or ebook, a WhatsApp class. You can use platforms like seller.co, gumroad.com, Telegram, or WhatsApp for marketing. Record yourself teaching it, package it, sell it. You only need to create it once and then you sell it over and over. I already listed platforms that you can sell it on, and I know people who've made millions doing this. Teach what you know. Someone out there is willing to pay. But let me be honest, the biggest thief of your online success is not poverty, it is procrastination. You're watching this now and you're fired up. But if you don't start something in the next 24 hours, you forget. No one starts perfect. Most people just start, fail, try again, and then they win. Pick one of those 5, focus on it, Google it, watch videos, practice, test it for 30 days. Your breakthrough is hidden in your first consistent action. If you got value from this video, I want you to do me a favor. Like this video, comment below the one hustle you will try this month, share with your friends who scroll endlessly but are always broke. And if you want detailed tutorial on any of these jobs, let me know. Reach out to me using my social media platform in the description of this video. I'll create one for you. Subscribe, tap the bell, and don't forget, success don't always make noise. Some people are quietly making money from home, building a soft life, 1 gig at a time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.